Having trouble transferring your SeatGeek tickets? You're definitely not alone. Transfer issues are one of the most common problems users face, especially during high-demand events. During major sports playoffs and concert tours, transfer failure rates can jump by 15 to 20%, leaving thousands of users frustrated when they can't get their tickets to friends or family. Under normal conditions, about 13% of transfers fail, but during high-demand events like playoff games or major concerts, that number can spike to 25 or even 30%. There are 4 main reasons why your SeatGeek ticket transfers might be failing. Understanding these causes will help you identify and fix the problem quickly. The first major cause is venue restrictions. Many venues have their own rules about ticket transfers. Some don't allow them at all, while others have strict cutoff times, usually 24 to 48 hours before the event starts. Technical glitches are another major culprit. The SeatGeek app might crash during a transfer, or there could be delays in synchronizing data between SeatGeek's servers and the venue's database systems. Email-based transfers have their own set of problems. Transfer emails often end up in spam folders, or corporate email systems might block them entirely. Sometimes it's as simple as typing the wrong email address. Finally, account-related issues can block transfers. Both the sender and recipient need verified SeatGeek accounts with confirmed payment methods. Some accounts also have transfer limits or security restrictions that prevent sharing tickets. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, try these quick fixes first. Restart the app, check spam folders, verify email addresses, and make sure both accounts are properly verified. Often, one of these simple steps will solve the problem immediately. Understanding these common causes puts you ahead of the game when transfer issues occur. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into specific troubleshooting steps for each type of problem. When your SeatGeek ticket transfer isn't working, start with these app-based troubleshooting steps. The most effective first step is to force close and restart the SeatGeek app completely. Next, clear your app cache on Android devices or offload and reinstall the app on iOS. This removes temporary files that might be causing transfer issues. Always ensure you're using the latest version of the SeatGeek app and verify you have a stable internet connection. These are crucial for successful ticket transfers. If you're having email transfer problems, the first place to check is your spam or junk folder. Transfer emails from SeatGeek often get filtered by email providers. To prevent future issues, whitelist SeatGeek domains in your email settings. Add both @SeatGeek.com and @email.seatgeek.com to your safe sender list. If your corporate email is blocking automated messages, try using an alternative personal email address for ticket transfers. This often resolves delivery issues. For account-related transfer problems, verify that both the sender and recipient have verified SeatGeek accounts. Account verification is required for most ticket transfers. Always check for event-specific transfer policies, as some high-demand events may have restrictions or time limitations on transfers. These policies can change based on the venue or event organizer. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve your transfer issue, contact SeatGeek customer support. They can help with account-level restrictions, payment method verification, and other complex transfer problems.